Hello you beautiful peeps, my name's John, welcome to my channel. Do you want your RC car to look like this beauty? Well you can. Guess what's underneath here? You'll never guess it. WO Toys 124019, believe it or not. So, this one can go to that. This one, what's this? The 124016 can go into that. This one, 124017 can go into that. This one, 124018 can go into that. This one, the EMB-SC, can go into that. It can! All of these can turn into that car. Let me show you how. So yes, ladies and gents, it is absolutely true. This car is in fact now this car here. What I've done is obviously I've taken the shell and the rear wing off. That's all. Let me show you inside. The shell itself is about, depending on where you buy it, around 25 euros. So it's not a huge amount of money, but you will have to buy the mounting kit that is about 8 euros, I think, maybe $8. Now, keep in mind that all the links for these are in the description below, so if you want to pick one up, hit that link. It does help me, gives me a little bit of commission, but it costs you no more, so it helps me buy new items for the channel. Now, the mounting points are literally on this car. This is the LT Racing kit, but fits straight onto the WO Toys. So as you can see, I've just removed the rear wing from here. These are mounted like so. So you unscrew those. One of the screws was already snapped off when I got there. It had nothing to do with me, I promise. And then you just literally mount it on. Screw straight through into there. Now you can see that I have used 3 washers on both sides of that. It's this side of the shock tower. Just to move the shell across this side a little bit more to make sure it all lines up. On the front, as you can see, it's the same thing. No washers this time, it just fits straight onto it. What I am going to quickly take off this here, because they have actually already angled it. So I'll show you, because obviously the front shock tower is slightly angled in that direction. So obviously if they just don't do anything with the mounting post will also be in that direction, and then it's not going to fit very well at all. There is another compromise that I had to make, but I'll show you that in a second. See how that is slightly angled outwards, but that side is obviously flat, so that's why that's able to sit straight up. Really good. Now on the shell itself, as I said, there was a compromise that had to be made. The rear ones mounted straight in, no issues, straight on, very good with that. But they've actually pre-drilled the front holes, but they didn't match up with the mount. This is the mounting kit for this shell apparently. Maybe not, maybe this is for a slightly different one, I don't know. But as you can see, I had to drill new holes. Now, the way that I drilled the holes is take some of this, I put it on, and then I put about 8 layers of this on, so that then when I push it down onto the mount, it then leaves a mark and I know where to drill. Absolutely brilliant, perfect. Everything was going great. I was checking very frequently. I started with a small drill bit first, then I went up to the middle size. There was a middle size, then I went up to this one. The only problem was, and it was something that I thought I was paying attention to, but I was a little bit tired yesterday, and that's the fact that I was pulling these forward slightly. But it turned out actually okay, because had these have been as far back as what they can be, I would be drilling into the actual windscreen here, which you don't want to do. So as you can see, it's actually been drilled on the lip here. It's not my best drilling, I'll be honest with you. But luckily, you know, the stickers can go over the holes that are there, so that covers that up nicely. And once the pins are in here, you can't really see any of the mess up. The car itself looks great. I took a few photos, so I'll show you those now. You can see that it fits these cars really well with the original tyres as well. I was thinking I was going to have to pick up some rally tyres, but not at all. These are original tyres, I had this set that had all of the, I believe it was white paint taken off, and I think it looks really good. Now, while you're here, I shall measure it in detail with my new super duper extra long Dubry. There you go. Oh man. It's still not big enough. I still need a larger one. I just wanted to do the wheelbase, to be honest with you. So we have roughly center to center, as you can see, 234.2 millimeters. Just make sure that that's in the center. Yeah. So that's obviously going to be in the center of the wheel nut. Oops. Yeah. As you can see, that's the center of that. Let me hold that there. There we go. And then roughly the center of that. I was really impressed actually that it fitted all of the cars that it does. For some reason, I'm pretty sure that I ordered the 1/14th scale, but that's not the case at all. I ordered the 1/12th, and that turned out even better because it means that it fits so many of the cars that I have here. And I've got to be honest with you, it does look great. I wasn't going to drive it, but it has dried up outside on the roof. So I think what we'll do is we'll get a little bit of footage and show you that, and then we'll come back to it. So what do you think of that then? Looks great, doesn't it? I absolutely love it. I should imagine on a gravel stage it's going to look absolutely amazing. If you want to see the 124016 running a 3S battery, watch this video here because that car with this shell is going to be amazing. I'll catch you next time. Stay safe, take care. Bye bye.